chicken, and then I'm gonna cut it into pieces. So, but if you cannot find organic stuff, it's all right. Use the regular one, whatever you can afford and prefer. This into the pan, and then bay leaves, onions, garlic. See, that's the easy version, okay? For now, whatever vinegar you have is perfectly fine. Water if you are a saucy person, but I'm not. And then you start cooking it. I also like to add a little bit of olive oil. I know every version is different, but that's my version. Cook it on medium heat for now. And it only takes about half an hour, and that's done.
Smelling good already.
I'm gonna try to see how it tastes now. Perfect combination of soy and vinegar. I want you to try it, Steph.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, my sweet, perfect, beautiful, smart mom.
Okay, try it, Steph.
Perfecto.
I think this is done. Look. Finished product. Done. I don't know what is in adobo. It's so simple to cook it. It's so delicious. So good. Yum. You should try it. You can do it. So good. Even the beans. The beans is so good too. Try it.
Rice is good too.
Is this one of your favorite Filipino foods?
Sure is.
How'd you like it?
Very delicious.